some puzzles. We are at 800 right now. Let's see. Okay, do I know this one? Taking this, right? Okay. This one is checkmate. Most of these lower rated are back rank checkmate, so this one, and also this pin is also pretty common. This one, yeah, and also this kind of fork. Many beginners should. This is just promoting a pawn, really easy. These are really useful for beginners to know. And this one, what is it? Is it fork? Yeah, I guess it is. I have to take this. Oh, what? What am I doing? I'm embarrassing myself on camera, but okay. This is okay. This is easy checkmate. Again, back rank, and the previous one was fork, so those are really common. This is also fork, pawn fork. Okay. This one, is it some kind of a checkmate? Yeah. And this two rook checkmate. Oh, it's not checkmate. It's taking the rook. Okay. Maybe this is probably trapping the queen. Or, yeah. When you see queen going wild, always try to trap it like this. Or some other way. Okay. This is check and checkmate. Okay, this is also a bit common to know. See that there is this square is taking out from the king, and also these pawns are not allowing king to escape. So think for a sacrifice there. This is also common. This bishop supporting rook to give a checkmate, so think of a sacrifice there. This is back rank checkmate, right? Yeah. So don't care if you sacrifice something, even a queen, if you can give a checkmate. Okay, so this is simple promotion of a pawn. And important here, and you're promoting, and this is easy. Okay, what is it? What is this? Just takes. Oh, he has this check. So what should we do? Do we care about that check? We can take and then block here, and I don't see a problem. Maybe I'm gonna embarrass myself once again. See. No, I'm not gonna embarrass myself. Okay. This one is what? Take here. It goes here. No, we just take here and then take, of course. So this is also common, removing this defender. This guy is defending the knight, so we remove it with a check and then take the knight. So a lot of themes are repeating, so you should be able to master them, to master these tactics fairly quickly. Okay, this is just promoting this pawn, right? And you should know how to win it if he has pawn on the 7th rank. So learn that. I have that in my library of videos. So what is this? Is this trapping the queen? It's not trapping the queen. This queen has this square. Okay, let's see, maybe check. And then this check. That makes sense. See? Yeah, that's it. And if he moves the king, of course we take this. So this is a little bit more difficult. But I guess maybe here think about opening the king, because king has no pieces on this side of the board, and maybe you can open it a little bit. Okay. See, again, this is just beautiful fork. I smile every time when I see it. And this one is this one, and then take the bishop. Yeah, simple enough. Okay, take this or not. Yeah, why not take 2 rooks for a queen? And at the end we have, I'm not sure what do we have, but yeah, I guess that's it. So in many positions it's good for you to exchange a queen for 2 rooks. Many beginners fear that and think, hey, he has the queen, what do I do? But don't be afraid of that. Learn to play those kind of positions. Okay, so this is again checkmate, similar to the one that we had, but now the knight is protecting the rook and also covering this square, escape square. Okay, this one, something. Actually, I'm not sure about this one. Ah, this one. Yeah, fork. He cannot take because. Okay, again fork. But also you have to see that this pin and fork. Okay. Checkmate in 1. What am I talking about? It's not checkmate in 1, but in 2, right? This and this. What am I talking about? This and this. Okay, that was a little bit embarrassing, but I guess nothing is embarrassing. You just solve and you learn, and doesn't matter. Okay, I guess this one. He's trying to checkmate me here, so probably I have to give a checkmate here. This check. Is this checkmate here? Yeah. Okay. This maybe some that's not it. Takes and then this. Yeah. So you always look for ideas for checkmate when you have this strong bishop here, and maybe you're gonna come up with something like this. Okay. This take. Why can't I just take this? Because I'm gonna lose this. So first I take here and then, right? I guess. Yeah. So look for your opponent's threats always. Don't say, hey, why this is free piece, and then you lose a rook. Okay. Is this free piece? No, he's gonna take this. So first we attack the rook, right? And then take this guy. That's it. Easy enough. I guess we're gonna go after 1200. So if I take, do I regret it? Let's see. I mean, this looks good, but I don't see what can he do here. But maybe there is another better move. I don't know. I don't think. Okay. And also sometimes you just don't believe your opponent. Yeah, he's sacrificing his say. And what after this man? What was that? We just laugh in the face. Don't do that, but remove the defender of this guy. Seems like it. But he can take here. So then we take here. He takes here. We take here. Takes, and we are left with what? We have two pieces and he has one. So this is good. Yeah, I guess. Is it something better? My blind or something? I don't think. Okay, that was easier than I thought. And it comes to mind this sacrifice, but I don't see what it does. It comes to mind this jack, and he goes here. I take it. He takes it. I give it this jack and take the queen. So this is a little bit. This is more calculation than the previous ones. Is that it? That's it. Really nice. So here we're gonna stop. Be sure to check out the next video. We're gonna go up and hopefully maybe reach, I don't know, 2500 or 2607 maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure what is my strength in tactics. Uh, my highest was 2,400 something, but I think I'm stronger now. So we'll see. Thanks for watching. See ya.